Hello, my dears. Very warm welcome. So, this is Amaresh Show. On behalf of the Career Channel, today we are continuing journey, the series 2 on Vedic Maths. Here is what you are learning: how to calculate without the help of the pen and the paper. That means the maths you wanted to make it at your fingertips, because those additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, right? Regularly the part and parcel of our life, not only just for competitive examinations. So here we are rewriting our mind steps. The other day in the series 1, you learned what? You learned the 2-digit squares ending with 5. That is, how much 15 square? How much is 25 square? Got it? So we know this 25 is common. So you are taking these left numbers, next digit, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the sequence, next digit you are taking. So here 1 into 2, so the 225 you are getting. So 25 square, after 2 what? 3. So 3 2s are 6. That's it, because 25 is automatic, no need for that. So similarly 35 square, after 3 4, 4 3s are 12, 25. Got it? And similarly, for example, 65 square. So after 6, 7. 6 7s are 42, 25. Say 95 square. After 9 what? 10. 9 10s are 90, 25. So like this, my dears, in a 2-digit, within no time, okay, with a fraction of a second you can answer, and you are saving a lot of time in competitive examinations. As I tell you, in competitive is a time that matters. Time is precious, my dears. Okay, so, and plus you can play it as a game. And today, as part of the series 2, let us learn another small tip. Here we are taking same 2-digit, but here ending with 5, no doubt, but the gap should be of 10. Okay, the gap between the two numbers. So 2-digit it is, but the gap is 10. So here, for example, 25 and 15, or 15 and 25, whatever way you are writing, right? So for example, our day-to-day calculation, how we will make it. Okay, for example, 25 15, 15 5s are 75, so 7 carrying on, 15 2s are how much? 30, 37. Right? So your answer is 375. Got it? Let me take another one. 35 into 25, for example. Okay? 25 5s are, I think you know better, or otherwise we will make it more simple like the school children. 5 5s are 25, so 2 carry on. 5 3s are 15, 2 17, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry on, 2 3s are 6, and 1 7. So 5 7 8. Right? So 35 into 25 is how much? 875. That's an answer you got it. Now you can observe here commonality. 75 is common. Got it? That is the clue, my dears. The moment you got it, yes, we can wonderfully answer. First, let us learn how this came, the 75 came. Okay? Let me put it up all. So, 15 into 25. So, 75 you are getting common. Now, take the highest number. Left digits are there. Out of these 2 left digits, which is the highest number? 2 is the highest number. So, highest number you have to choose. Now, square it. Square it. Square it means here, in this case, 2. So, 2 square, how much? 4. So, this is the first step, second step, and third step what you are doing is, this one, right, the 4 is there, this total minus 1. You have to make it minus 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. That's it. So highest number you are taking 2 square minus 1, 3. Within fraction of second it is going to be over, my dears. Okay? Got it? For example, same thing I am talking about, just now we said 25 into 35. What is the highest number? 3. 3 square? 9. 75 is common. That's it. Any doubt? So again I am making the thing is concerned. It should be a 2 digits ending with 5. Okay, that means when you are talking about say 35 into 45 is a 2 digits ending with 5. That should be the compulsory. The moment 2 digits and the gap 35, this gap should be of 10. This is a gap between the two numbers. It should not be more than that. Then this rule will not apply. So what will automatically come? 75 is, this is automatic. By default we call, right? By default you will get the 75. Now you are taking what? The highest number. So here out of these two, this is the left digit 3 here, 4 here. This is the highest number. So you are squaring it. So here highest number square. That means 4 square. You are getting 16 minus 1, 15. So 1575. That's it. So if nothing, all these things are there, same number, how you will calculate? I am just putting in reference way. 75 common, 4 square, 16 minus 1. That's it. If it is, for example, 55 into 65. So 75 is your common, highest number is 6. 6 6 are 36 minus 1, 35. So you are just making square the highest number and minus 1. Okay, there is nothing else it be. Okay. For example, 95 into 85. So your 75 as usual. 9, 8, which is the highest? 9 is the highest. So 9 square minus 1. Okay. 9 square is 81, 80. So that's, my dears, in a simple way you can do it. So once you are doing this sort of things, the advantage, no? Of course, direct advantage is you are saving time. But the most precious thing, okay, amoulion, you are improving your or polishing your, okay, or the word you are improving your concentration by polishing your brain, right? By polishing your brain, by giving work to your brain, by stimulating your brain, right? Or you are giving the boost to your brain. So what you are doing? You are improving your concentration. The once, my dears, your concentration increase, you know pretty well, the miracles will happen. Okay? And the studies. So that's all for today's tips. Okay? So any doubts, any clarifications, of course you are at liberty to write to us. So watch our avcareerchannel.com or AV Career Channel in YouTube regularly, and you have the phone numbers and everything, and we have the emails. you can post the questions, and we are here to ready to answer you. So thank you very much, and your next video in the series 3 will come up with another concept. So thank you very much. Bye bye.